Welcome.
Welcome.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
How is your day?
How is your day?
My day is good.
My day is good.
Everything is fine.
Everything is fine.
I feel great today.
I feel great today.
I feel a little tired.
I feel a little tired.
It is a beautiful day.
It is a beautiful day.
It is a sunny day.
It is a sunny day.
It is raining today.
It is raining today.
It is very cold today.
It is very cold today.
It is very hot today.
It is very hot today.
I like this weather.
I like this weather.
I do not like this weather.
I do not like this weather.
I am at home.
I am at home.
I am at work.
I am at work.
I am at school.
I am at school.
I am in the car.
I am in the car.
I am on the bus.
I am on the bus.
I am walking.
I am walking.
I am waiting.
I am waiting.
I am reading.
I am reading.
I am writing.
I am writing.
I am working.
I am working.
I am cooking.
I am cooking.
I am cleaning.
I am cleaning.
I am relaxing.
I am relaxing.
I like coffee.
I like coffee.
I like tea.
I like tea.
I like water.
I like water.
I like juice.
I like juice.
I like pizza.
I like pizza.
I like bread.
I like bread.
I like fruit.
I like fruit.
I like apples.
I like apples.
I like bananas.
I like bananas.
I like music.
I like music.
I like movies.
I like movies.
I like books.
I like books.
I like learning.
I like learning.
I like English.
I like English.
English is easy.
English is easy.
English is interesting.
English is interesting.
English is important.
English is important.
I practice every day.
I practice every day.
I listen carefully.
I listen carefully.
I repeat the words.
I repeat the words.
I try again.
I try again.
I learn slowly.
I learn slowly.
I learn step by step.
I learn step by step.
Little by little.
Little by little.
Every day is practice.
Every day is practice.
Learning is fun.
Learning is fun.
Practice is important.
Practice is important.
Listening helps a lot.
Listening helps a lot.
Speaking takes practice.
Speaking takes practice.
Do not worry.
Do not worry.
Take your time.
Take your time.
Stay calm.
Stay calm.
Keep learning.
Keep learning.
Keep trying.
Keep trying.
You are doing well.
You are doing well.
You are improving.
You are improving.
You are learning.
You are learning.
You are getting better.
You are getting better.
That is good.
That is good.
That is nice.
That is nice.
That is great.
That is great.
Very good work.
Very good work.
Excellent work.
Excellent work.
Keep practicing English.
Keep practicing English.
You can learn English.
You can learn English.
Learning takes patience.
Learning takes patience.
Learning takes time.
Learning takes time.
Do your best.
Do your best.
Never give up.
Never give up.
Try again tomorrow.
Try again tomorrow.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together.
Let's continue learning.
Let's continue learning.
Let's keep going.
Let's keep going.
You are ready to learn.
You are ready to learn.
Start with small steps.
Start with small steps.
Practice makes progress.
Practice makes progress.
Progress takes time.
Progress takes time.
Every day is a new chance.
Every day is a new chance.
Keep moving forward.
Keep moving forward.
Learning is a journey.
Learning is a journey.
You are on the right path.
You are on the right path.
Good work today.
Good work today.
See you next time.
See you next time.
See you soon.
See you soon.